Here's our ranking of the best CRV models. These are the model years we'd confidently recommend to friends, family, or anyone shopping for a dependable used SUV. Remember, no used vehicle is perfect. Maintenance history always matters more than mileage alone. A well-cared-for CRV with 180,000 miles can easily outlast a neglected one with only 70,000 miles. But if you're starting your search today, these model years give you the highest odds of owning a reliable SUV for years to come. Let's get started. Coming in at number 1, the 2013 Honda CR-V. For many Honda technicians and longtime owners, this is the sweet spot of the entire lineup. Why? Because Honda had already worked out nearly all the bugs from the previous redesign, yet the vehicle remained mechanically simple compared to newer turbocharged models. Under the hood is Honda's proven 2.4-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine, producing around 185 horsepower. It's paired with a conventional 5-speed automatic transmission, a setup that has earned a reputation for durability rather than complexity. This combination means fewer expensive components to fail. There's no turbocharger to worry about, no dual-clutch transmission, and no direct injection-related oil dilution concerns that affected some later models. Owners routinely report driving these SUVs well past 200,000 miles with nothing more than regular oil changes, brake service, tires, and occasional suspension work. It's not uncommon to see examples approaching 300,000 miles while still running on the original engine and transmission. Another reason the 2013 model stands out is its balance of practicality and affordability. It offers excellent fuel economy, a spacious cabin, comfortable seating, and one of the lowest ownership costs in its class. If you're searching for one of the best CRV models that delivers exceptional value, the 2013 model deserves to be at the top of your shopping list. Coming in at number 2, 2014 Honda CR-V. Mechanically, it's almost identical, and that's actually a good thing. Honda resisted making unnecessary changes, allowing the proven drivetrain to continue delivering the reliability owners had come to expect. Instead, the company focused on refining ride quality, improving cabin comfort, and making the SUV feel more polished overall. Many owners describe the 2014 CR-V as one of those vehicles that simply asks for very little. Perform routine maintenance, change the fluids on schedule, and it keeps going year after year. Independent repair shops also appreciate these models because they're relatively easy to work on. Parts are affordable, labor costs are reasonable, and most common repairs are straightforward. For buyers who want a dependable daily driver without spending a fortune, the 2014 remains one of the smartest choices on the used market. It's reliable, practical, comfortable, and still modern enough to feel relevant today. Coming in at number 3, 2009 Honda CR-V. The 2009 model earns our third-place ranking for one simple reason: proven durability. By 2009, Honda had addressed many of the issues that affected the first years of the third generation. The result was a compact SUV with a mature design, dependable drivetrain, and excellent long-term reliability. The naturally aspirated 2.4-liter engine has become legendary for Honda enthusiasts for its longevity. When properly maintained, it's capable of delivering hundreds of thousands of miles without requiring major engine repairs. Although the interior isn't as modern as newer CR-Vs, everything is well laid out, easy to use, and built to last. The seats remain comfortable for long road trips, visibility is excellent, and cargo space is generous. For buyers on a tighter budget, the 2009 model often represents outstanding value. Since it's older, purchase prices are generally much lower than 4th or 5th generation CR-Vs, but the mechanical reliability is still excellent. If you can find one with documented maintenance records and minimal rust, the 2009 CR-V remains one of the best used Honda CR-Vs to buy. Coming in at number 4, 2010 Honda CR-V. The 2010 Honda CR-V builds on everything that made the 2009 so successful. Honda made small refinements to the suspension, improved cabin materials, and updated exterior styling without changing the proven mechanical formula. That's often the recipe for long-term reliability. Rather than introducing brand new technology, Honda focused on improving what already worked. Owners consistently praise the 2010 model for its quiet ride, predictable handling, dependable engine, and relatively inexpensive maintenance. Another advantage is the abundance of replacement parts. Because Honda sold so many CR-Vs during these years, finding affordable components is rarely difficult. For shoppers who value dependability above all else, the 2010 remains one of the safest used SUV purchases available today. Coming in at number 5, 2011 Honda CR-V. Closing out the third generation is the 2011 Honda CR-V. This final production year benefited from several years of continuous refinement. Manufacturers often produce their most reliable vehicles near the end of a generation because many early production issues have already been corrected. The 2011 CR-V is a perfect example. It delivers smooth performance, dependable mechanicals, and consistently low repair costs. Many owners continue driving these vehicles well beyond 250,000 miles, proving that proper maintenance often matters more than age. If you're looking for a dependable family SUV without paying premium prices, the 2011 deserves serious consideration. Coming in at number 6, 2021 Honda CR-V. Now let's move into the modern era. The 2021 Honda CR-V represents one of the best choices for buyers who want newer technology without sacrificing reliability. By this point, Honda had already implemented software updates and engineering improvements that addressed many of the concerns surrounding the early 1.5-liter turbocharged engines. The 2021 model also benefits from an updated interior, Honda sensing safety features, smartphone integration, excellent crash test ratings, and impressive fuel economy. If you're considering the hybrid version, you'll also enjoy outstanding efficiency while retaining the practicality that has made the CR-V so popular. Although maintenance costs are slightly higher than older naturally aspirated models, overall owner satisfaction remains excellent. For buyers wanting a modern SUV with advanced safety technology, the 2021 is one of the best CR-V models currently available on the used market. At number 7, rounding out our list, is the 2022 Honda CR-V. As the final year before the complete redesign, this model benefits from years of engineering refinement. Honda had ample time to improve software calibration, fine-tune drivetrain performance, and address many of the concerns that affected earlier fifth-generation models. The result is one of the most polished CR-Vs ever produced. Inside, you'll find a spacious cabin, excellent visibility, intuitive controls, and plenty of cargo room. On the road, it offers a smooth ride, predictable handling, and excellent fuel efficiency. Whether you choose the standard gasoline engine or the hybrid version, the 2022 model delivers an outstanding balance of comfort, technology, practicality, and long-term value. For buyers shopping in today's used market, it's one of the safest modern CR-V purchases you can make. No matter which of these best CR-V models you choose, prioritize a complete maintenance history, a clean vehicle history report, and a thorough pre-purchase inspection. Those three factors can make the difference between buying a CR-V that serves you faithfully for another decade and one that quickly becomes an expensive repair project.